Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and every animal on Earth has disappeared. Dogs, cats, birds, insects, fish, sea animals, wild animals, farm animals, everything is gone. Only humans are left. At first, this sounds like a simple question. Can humans live without animals? I mean, do we really need them? Or can we happily live alone on this planet? Maybe some people will think life becomes easier. No mosquitoes biting us, no cockroaches in the kitchen, no snakes in the grass, no wild animals attacking anyone. Sounds peaceful, right? But that thought will survive only for a few minutes. Because animals are not just walking, flying, swimming creatures around us. They are doing invisible jobs for Earth every single day. Some animals help plants grow. Some animals protect forests. Some animals clean nature. Some animals build healthy soil. Some animals keep oceans alive. Some animals give humans food. Some animals even protect our emotions. So in this video, let's decode one by one what animals actually contribute to nature, how they protect this planet, how they are useful to humans, and what will happen if every animal disappears. First, let's start with food. The moment animals disappear, humans immediately lose milk, eggs, meat, fish, honey, prawns, crabs, and many other foods. Dairy farms become useless. Chicken farms become empty. Fishing boats return with nothing. But this is only the obvious problem. The hidden problem is much bigger. Many plants also depend on animals. Bees, butterflies, flies, beetles, birds, and bats help flowers turn into fruits, seeds, and nuts. They move pollen from one flower to another. That small action looks simple, but that small action helps produce many foods humans love. Apples, almonds, mangoes, berries, cucumbers, pumpkins, coffee, and many other crops become much harder to grow. So humans may still have rice, wheat, and some basic crops, but our food becomes less colorful, less nutritious, and more expensive. Basically, breakfast, lunch, and dinner become boring survival meals. Now let's go underground. Soil looks like simple dirt, but actually, soil is like a living factory. Earthworms, ants, termites, beetles, and tiny soil animals keep working under our feet. They break dead leaves. They mix the soil. They create tiny tunnels. They help water and air move inside the ground. Because of them, plants get better soil to grow. If these animals disappear, soil does not die in one day, but slowly it becomes weaker. Farming becomes harder. Plants struggle more. Humans will need more machines, more chemicals, and more artificial systems just to replace the tiny workers we never even noticed. Now let's go to forests. We think forests grow because of trees, but many forests grow because of animals. Because plants have one big problem. They cannot walk, so they use animals. Birds eat fruits and drop seeds in new places. Bats carry seeds during the night. Monkeys throw fruits while moving through trees. Elephants spread seeds across long distances. In simple words, animals are the gardeners of forests. If they disappear, many seeds fall near the same parent tree. Some seeds die there. Some never reach new land. Slowly, forests stop expanding properly. The old trees may stand for years, but the future forest becomes weak. It becomes like a school with teachers, but no new students coming in. Now let's go to the oceans. From outside, the ocean may still look blue and beautiful, but inside it becomes empty. Fish are gone. Whales are gone. Dolphins are gone. Sharks are gone. Crabs, prawns, turtles, and sea animals are gone. The ocean food chain breaks. Fishing towns lose jobs. Millions of people lose protein from seafood, and the sea becomes silent in a way humans have never seen before. But here is an important point. Humans will not suddenly lose all oxygen the next morning. Plants, algae, and tiny photosynthetic organisms can still produce oxygen. But oceans are not just oxygen machines. They are giant living systems. When animal life disappears from the ocean, the balance of that system breaks badly. Now let's talk about nature's cleaning workers. In nature, waste does not simply vanish. Something has to break it down. Dung beetles, insects, worms, scavenger birds, crabs, and many tiny animals help clean dead material, animal waste, and organic matter. They recycle nutrients back into the land and water. Without them, microbes and fungi will still do some cleaning, But the natural cleanup system becomes slower and weaker. Nature becomes less efficient. More work falls on bacteria, fungi, and human-made systems. Now comes something humans understand emotionally: pets. Dogs, cats, birds, rabbits, and other animals are not just entertainment. For many people, they are family. They reduce loneliness. They create routine. They make humans feel connected to life. If all animals disappear, humans don't just lose food and nature balance. We lose companionship. The planet becomes emotionally empty. A world with only humans may sound powerful, but actually it feels lonely. And finally, the biggest truth is this: humans may survive for some time without animals. With stored food, technology, artificial farming, greenhouses, lab food, and machines, we may continue living, but happily, naturally, easily? That is almost impossible. Because animals are not extra decoration on Earth. They are part of the system. So if every animal disappeared tomorrow, humans would not become kings of Earth. We would become the last animal standing on a planet that is slowly losing its life support system.